Good day everyone. Today we discuss all about constructing information drive regarding the relationship of drugs and alcohol to refers to sexual transmitted disease. Alcohol and drug use and HIV. Alcohol misuse and illegal substance use can harm your health if you have an HIV. How do alcohol and drugs affect your health if you have an HIV? Alcohol misuse and illegal substance use, including the misuse of prescription drugs, can affect your brain, making it hard to think clearly. They alter your judgment and lower your inhibition. Below are just some of the way misuse of alcohol and drugs can affect your health. Alcohol misuse can harm your health. Your immediate health risk from alcohol misuse include injuries and alcohol poisoning. Alcohol misuse also increases your chance of committing or being a victim of violence. Over time, it can lead to chronic disease and other serious problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, liver disease, digestive problem, and etc. Heavy alcohol use has been associated with the use of other substances such as heroin, cocaine, marijuana, and tobacco.
And also drug use and people with HIV. People take drugs illegally to get high. Illegal drug use includes street drugs like heroin, cocaine, or methamphetamine. It also includes prescription drugs used without a prescription or just the high they cause. Drugs use and addiction can speed up to progression of HIV and its consequences, especially in the brain. It can increase your viral load even if you are adherent to your HIV treatment regimen. Drugs. You can also make it easier for HIV to enter your brain and trigger an immune response and the release of the neurotoxins which can cause chronic neuroinflammation. If you have HIV, using drugs can cause you to do things that increase your chances to transmitting HIV to others. For example, drugs methamphetamine propers and ecstasy are like to having more sex partner or sex without using a condom, both of which increase your chances of transmitting HIV.